Hello friends, how are you today? Today I am going to teach you how to draw a bird and a turtle. So you will take your pencil and start drawing. Okay, now I will start by drawing a bird. You will need something round for a circle. Now I am going to make the eyes. And now for the beak. You will draw a big beak and make a line in the middle. So now you will draw a wing and after that you will draw a tail. Now you are going to draw the feet. Now when you draw the other feet, this line should be smaller than this line. Okay, now we are done with our bird. So we will start by drawing a turtle. You will draw the face and some eyes. Now you are gonna draw a big tail. You are now for some feet, for some legs. And now you will draw the shell in the circle, inside the circle. Now you will connect these points to the circle. Now that I am done with my bird and turtle, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye bye. See you next time.